Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Toyota RAV4. First thing we do is make sure Bluetooth's on your phone. Then we're watching out at the bottom here. I'll just show you from any screen onto telephone, and there you go. It's at the moment it's got, sorry you have no Bluetooth phone connected, would you like to connect one now? Yes. Bluetooth search device, so it's searching. It's pretty quick as well. It's brought up my phone straight away. Probably one of the fastest systems I've used. So we click on the phone you want to connect, but it says there you might need this pin 0000, but it's automatically generated another pin. Rather than you having to click 0000 on this and then pair, you just accept this automatically generated passkey. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow Toyota Touch 2 with Go connected. That's it.